Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to animate a logo with the AI using Higgsfield. So first, open up the Higgsfield AI website. So for this tutorial, let's assume that you have already generated your logo. Select the logo that you want to use, then click Animate. So this will take you directly to the video workspace where you can turn the image into an next. Enter a short prompt describing how you want the logo to move. You can make it rotate, glow, zoom, pulse, fade, or slowly appear. And keep the movement simple so the logo remains clear and easy to see. After that, choose your preferred model, video duration, and quality. A duration of around 3 to 5 seconds usually works well for logo intros, outros, and social media posts. So once the settings are ready, click Generate. And finally, watch the preview and check the speed, motion, and logo quality. If the results does not look right, adjust the prompt or settings and generate another version. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.